I am at Ilmasin Primary School, Ngong Hills, Kajiado County. And this could pass for an ordinary primary school. Of course, we are going about our studies as usual. But what particularly sets it apart is standing right outside. Come with me, I'll show you. Now this mesh behind me is actually a fog harvester. And the pupils of this school are in their own rights rainmakers, condensing low-lying clouds into water for their daily use.
According to estimates, only 3% of the world's water is drinkable. And now Professor Bansi Mati, whose brainchild this project is, thinks this is a natural solution as we seek to increase that small percentage.
Now this is the part I love. The net comprises both hydrophilic, which is water attractant surface, and hydrophobic surface, which is water repellent.
When the thick air blows, the tiny water droplets in the fog are trapped in the hydrophilic surface and then roll off the repellent surface and into the gutter.
Just how dangerous is the ASF virus? Number one, it's highly resistant to environmental conditions. We are talking about a virus that will live over 1.5 years in blood stored at punishingly low temperatures. It will remain infectious in meat over 6 months after slaughter, 140 days in dried and salted ham. Think about several years in frozen carcasses. We can go on and on.
Unknowingly, farmers can transmit the disease because in the early phases of the disease where the infected animals are shedding the virus, the disease can be spread.
I am at the very heart of livestock science in East and Central Africa, the International Livestock Research Institute, ILRI, in Nairobi, and we are about to introduce a phenomenal assembly of existing technologies to provide local solutions. A new approach to the diagnosis of the ASF virus as developed by local scientists. Woo! I am at nowhere really. I actually don't know. But what I know is that this is a 150cc self-styled or self-customed off-road machine. And as you can see, it is a load of basic metal tubes welded together. And if you look back there, we have a couple of cogwheels to give it some pull power. And these lights, they can allow you to drive at night, of course. In fact, this car, I can tell you for sure, will not cause the Formula 1 cars sleepless nights. But one thing is for sure, I don't know of a Formula 1 car that can do this.
In a drift, the buggy is an absolute delight. It has a firm assurance of stability, obviously because of its low center of gravity. The rear wheels sway willingly to the left or to the right at the wheel of the driver, as the front wheels hold firm as you steer, feeling much more like a fulcrum, holding all the weight as you decide which side and how fast.